Good morning, students. Here is a question related to double column cash book. So prepare double column cash book, cash and bank column. Yesterday, I already explained you why there is two column cash book. One represent the cash column and the another represent the bank column. So the first is bank overdraft. It is a negative balance. So it will be shown on the credit side of cash book. Cash in hand, it is increase the cash account. So it will be shown on the debit side of cash column. Check received from Ram. As you know, the entry for check received from Ram is check in hand account debit to Ram. So this entry will not post in cash book because इस एंट्री में कहीं पे भी कैश और बैंक अकाउंट नहीं ओपन हो रहा है और रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज चेक इन हैंड अकाउंट डेबिट टू राम विल नॉट बी रिकॉर्डेड in cash book, and I already explained you different cases of receipt of cash. So go through previous video. Deposited the above check into bank. What will be the journal entry? Bank account debit to check in hand. So here bank account will increase, because whatever the check is in hand, it will be deposited on 8th where into bank. Next is banked. What do you mean by banked? Means bank account increase and cash account decrease. बैंक बढ़ रहा है और कैश कम हो रहा है. In this transaction both the account affected, so there will be contra entry. Contra entry denote by the word C, means this entry will be posted on both the side of cash book, that will be bank and cash column. Next is received a money order from Gopal, means cash increase. Money withdrawn from bank, आप पैसे बैंक से निकाल रहे हैं. So again the journal entry will be cash account debit to bank. Cash increase, bank decrease. So in this transaction it affects both the account cash and bank. Again there will be contra entry, denotes it by C. Next is bank charges. Bank charges means it will decrease the bank account. Interest on bank overdraft minus. See now how to prepare the cash book. So what is the first item? Bank overdraft. Write down bank overdraft in the credit side, because credit side shows payment side of cash and bank, and debit side it is receipts of both the account, that is cash and bank. So bank overdraft is a negative balance, so show it on the credit side of bank column. Next is cash in hand. So it will increase the cash. Write down to balance VD 2300. Check received from Ram. There will be no entry related to dated 7, because the entry is check in hand account debit to Ram. So there is no cash and bank account, so it will not be recorded in the cash book. Bank, already I explained. Bank means you have deposited the money into bank. So on 12th, first fill the column of bank column, because it increase. This side is the increase of bank column and cash column, and this side is decrease of cash in bank column. So decrease cash. First write down the amount in the bank column and cash column. Then pass the entry. What is the entry? Bank account debit to cash. So bank account debit to cash. Or you can do fill the amount column and write down opposite account in particulars column. Same way here, fill the amount and write down opposite account in the particular column. Next is received a money order from Gopal. So now you received a money order from Gopal. So cash increase. So here you have written cash increase and you have to write the opposite account name, that is Gopal account. Next is money withdrawn from bank. तो यहाँ से पैसे निकाल रहे हैं तो कैश आ रहा है और बैंक कम हो रहा है. So write down cash account increase in the bank cash column. सॉरी कैश बढ़ रहा है इसलिए आप कैश के कॉलम में लिख दोगे डेबिट साइड एंड बैंक डिक्रीज. सो राइट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ बैंक अकाउंट. देन राइट ऑन द अपोजिट अकाउंट नेम. अगर आप कैश कॉलम में डाले हो तो आप बैंक लिखोगे और अगर बैंक डाले हो तो क्या लिखोगे? कैश. एंड रिप्रेजेंट इट बाय C word, capital C. That means it is a contra entry. The next is bank charges. Bank charges decreases the bank account. So write down on the credit side of bank account. Then interest on bank overdraft. It also decreases the bank column. So write down on the credit side of bank account. Now find out the balance of cash account. So add receipt side 2300 plus 500 plus 300. So the total will be 3100. Out of that, how much is the total of payment side? 200. So the income is 3100. Out of that, you have paid 200. So what will be the balance amount? 2900. Is it clear? You received cash total 3100. Out of that, you paid 200. Only one payment was there. So the balance is 2900. Now check the balance of bank column. So here is two entry 4200. But see, the total of credit side is more because when you add 12,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1000, the total is 13,320. तो क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल ज़्यादा आ रहा है और डेबिट साइड का टोटल कम है. सो 13,320 में से आप कितना माइनस कर लेंगे? 4,200. This two amount. So the answer will be 9120. So the balance you will write on the debit side to balance CD 9120. So again it is a bank overdraft for the next month. So in this way you have to prepare 2-column cash book. Practice 2-3 times this question, then only you will be able to clear the concept of double column cash book, especially contra entry. Practice contra entry again and again. Contra entry means the transactions which will affect cash and bank account both. Is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can convey message or you can call me so that your doubts will be cleared.